Stand out with a video resume. In today's highly competitive job market, creating the right video resume to accompany your traditional CV can make you stand out from the crowd. A video resume is a short video to introduce yourself to the hiring manager or recruiter about what makes you uniquely qualified for the role. It's a strong addition to a resume and a cover letter. You can use the video resume to highlight a skill or experience to show you are a perfect fit for the position. It also lets you show you have the creativity and personality that is a good match for the company's culture. An effective video resume is between 30 seconds to 2 minutes long. In this video, we will see why you should make a video resume and how to create one that is effective and engaging. And in the end, I will share with you an app which can help you to quickly make a video resume within few minutes. If you're watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, do it immediately as it encourages me to keep making such videos to help the students community. So let's get started. Why you should make a video resume? Here are my top 3 reasons. Video resume is your elevator pitch for why you are a strong candidate for a role. This method also helps to demonstrate your personality that they may not otherwise get from other elements of your application. If you have a lot of relevant experience, you may consider including a video resume to briefly summarize your top qualities and help the hiring manager to understand what specifically makes you uniquely qualified candidate. After seeing your video resume, they may keep those top highlights in mind while reviewing your traditional resume. A video resume can personalize your application, helping it stand out from other candidates. Seeing your face, hearing you speak, and watching you demonstrate your skills may leave a lasting impression on hiring managers. How to make a video resume? Here is a 5-step process. Making a video resume requires stage preparation and technical skills such as visual storytelling and editing. Here are the steps to making a video resume. First step is writing a script, an outline of what you want to say so you understand its chronology. If you want to sound more conversational rather than rehearsed, consider writing bullet points of the specific skill, experiences and qualifications you want to highlight. If you prefer to be more polished, write out exactly what you want to say. When writing your speech, consider using strong action verbs you might include in your traditional resume to increase the impact of your words like accomplished, achieved, and so on. Step number 2 is set up recording space and device. Set up a space with a neutral background and attractive lighting. You can include props that seem natural to the environment and do not distract the viewer from you. Your smartphone should be good enough to record high quality video and audio. Use Bluetooth or Boya mic. Set the camera on a tripod high enough to capture your face and far enough that the profile is visible a little bit above your waist, like what you can see now. Step number 3 is collect additional visuals. Depending on the content of your video resume, you may consider including elements such as informational slides, infographics, photographs or clippings you may want to include in addition to the footage you just shot. These elements can provide additional information in a dynamic and more engaging way. Number 4 is edit the video. Review all the footage you have captured and select the best takes. Using your script or outline, you can begin cutting and assembling footage to fit the story you just created. You can also add in the additional visuals such as references to achievements or awards under the audio of your speaking to visually demonstrate what you are speaking. To compile the video, you can use editing software. For mobile, you can use InShot. The free version itself gives you a lot of options, and if you're editing on a computer, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro and Filmora for inserting footages in between the video. And for sound editing, you can consider Audacity. Step number 5 is get feedback. Review your final cut a few times to ensure the video is clear and organized. You can also ask a friend, co-worker or colleague or mentor to review your video resume as well. They can provide you constructive feedback to improve the video and make a more stronger impression. Creating an impactful video resume requires considerable effort. Let me share with you top 5 tips for creating impressive video resume, and please let me know which tip you like as well as any tips you like to share in the comments below. Number 1 is don't just read out your resume. The whole point of a video resume or a video presentation is to offer the potential employer greater insight into you than a traditional resume. So just reading aloud the content of your CV is a waste of everyone's time. Use the video to help the employer get a sense of not just what you have achieved, but what you are capable of achieving in the future. Tell them why you would be the right person to hire and what you can do for them. Focus on your experience and skill set and possible education and training, especially relevant to the position. Point number 2 is keep it short. A video resume should be short and sweet, staying within 2 minutes. Keep in mind that recruiters would likely want to use the video resume as an initial filter for applicants. However, recruiters do not typically want to use the video resume in lieu of a real in-person interview. Think of your video resume as your own personal teaser. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Point number 3, don't be afraid to be creative. Be creative but professional. Do not deviate too much from the demeanor you would have in the workplace. Dress professionally, just as if you are going to an in-person interview. Be creative, whether that's with the concept of your pitch, use of humor, or brilliant editing. Point number 4, make sure it passes the share test. Imagine your friends and family watching the clip. If the thought of that embarrasses you, then don't submit it. Point number 5, know your audience. As you plan your script and filming location, consider who will watch the video and calibrate accordingly. For instance, a video prepared for a position at a bank might be different from a video created for a startup. Now, the big question is, should you create a video resume? For some job seekers, particularly ones in visual or creative fields, a video resume can highlight valuable skills. For instance, a video resume is useful for showing any type of performance-based work, whether it involves acting on stage, teaching a class, or presenting quarterly numbers. Also, a video resume can be an excellent way to show off your personality. For people in client-facing roles whose work involves charming prospective buyers, a video resume may be beneficial. Refer to this sample video resume script. You can modify accordingly and come out with your own. Also find in the description link to the app called as Showreel, which I will briefly demonstrate to you, which is an Android-based version. Video resume script example. You can use the following video resume script sample to help you craft your own. Hi, my name is Manish Jain and I want to become your new social media specialist. Since your company is active on social media, I want to apply my experience in online community engagement to help your company get more involved in the lives of its customers. In my spare time, I manage the social media accounts for my friend who is a fashion blogger. I use the site's analytics to determine when his followers are most active on his social media pages, and I schedule the post and publish at an ideal time every week. I also create monthly polls to ask his followers what fashion trends they like and ask their recommendation. With the fund side opportunity, I successfully created a YouTube channel around my friend's business and increased his social media engagement and reached 1,000 subscribers within 3 months. I am confident that this experience has prepared me to transform your company's online presence and build a strong community of customers. I hope you enjoyed this today's video and I see you soon with yet another helpful video. Thank you so much.